People who want to prevent acne often spend large sums trying to do so. But they don't have to. There are several natural and inexpensive methods for getting rid of those embarrassing acne breakouts. In addition, these methods can help prevent sudden outbreaks of acne from occurring. Here's some help for those suffering from acne. Defining acne: in most cases, genetic predisposition determines the type and severity of acne breakouts. Acne is caused by a combination of hormone activity and natural sebaceous activity under the surface of the skin. Sebaceous, or oil, glands secrete sebum whose purpose is to keep the skin soft and flexible, and it is vitally important to healthy maintenance of the skin. A lack of sebum causes dryness, rough skin, and even cracks and splits. However, hormone activity combined with diet and other factors can stimulate the sebaceous glands to produce more natural oils than is needed. This excess can block the pores of the skin, leading to blackheads and a localized infection that we commonly call pimples. Acne breakouts normally occur on the face, neck, back, chest and shoulders, which are the most visible areas of the body and is where the sebum glands are most densely saturated. While individual genetics have been shown to play a significant role in the development of acne, social factors such as daily routines and diet are also major players in causing outbreaks. Genetics may not be subject to change, but an individual suffering from acne need not feel powerless or hopeless when it comes to treating their acne. Some simple changes in diet and routine has an enormous impact on controlling and eliminating acne. Simple natural changes to eliminate acne. The following is a list of several suggestions for dealing with and eliminating acne. 1. The most important thing to do is probably the easiest: drink lots of water. Water flushes toxins from the body and also aids in the creation of natural skin oils and moisture. The better. How to win your war against acne. Copyright Wings of Success, page 86 of 86. Hydrated. A person is the less need for the creation of additional skin oils by the sebaceous glands. 2. Consume at least 4 to 5 servings of fresh fruit and vegetables every day. Nutrition science has shown that the natural amino acids in fruits and vegetables are important in the formation and regulation of sebum. Poor nutrition, or a diet heavy in oils, dairy products and fats, leads to more severe acne outbreaks. 3. Try rose water for facial cleansing. Using a clean cotton ball dipped in rose water, moisturize and clean the face and other areas prone to breakouts 2 to 3 times daily. Rose water is a natural antiseptic that doesn't strip the skin of natural oils. 4. Avoid using soaps and alcohol-containing products for cleansing. These strip the skin of its natural oils. Harsh cleansers stimulate the skin to produce more sebum to keep the skin moisturized, opening the door to more acne outbreaks. 5. Makeup may also cause acne outbreaks because it blocks the surface pores of the skin. In addition, some types of makeup cause drying of the skin. This stimulates the glands to secrete more sebum to compensate for the drying of surface oils. Choose cosmetics that are natural and do not contain alcohol or petroleum-based products. Also, use a natural moisturizer to keep skin soft and pliable without encouraging sebum production. Contrary to popular belief, good quality moisturizers do not cause acne and may actually help to lessen outbreaks. 6. At the first sign of an outbreak, apply ice to the area to lessen the appearance of redness and irritation. Use a little rose water to cleanse the area, and pat a little cornstarch or baking soda mixed with water over the area. This will soothe, draw out the infection and ease the discomfort of the outbreak. 7. Cucumber is an inexpensive and effective acne control treatment when used as a mask. Blend it with a little water in a blender until a smooth paste is formed, and pat over the face and other affected areas. Leave it on for approximately 30 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Cucumber has been shown to be a good acne treatment that refreshes the skin without damaging it. How to win your war against acne. Copyright Wings of Success, page 87 of 87. 8. Find out if you have any food allergies. Acne is sometimes the body's way of letting you know that you are allergic to something you are eating. Mild to moderate allergies to cow's milk and milk products, grains, gluten, chocolate and other foods considered to be a normal part of diet can lead to acne outbreaks. A simple way to test for a food allergy is, if you suspect you may be allergic to something, eliminate it from your diet for a few days. If your acne and your general health begins to improve, it would be a good idea to discuss the matter with your doctor. A simple allergy test will let you know if you are sensitive to a certain food or food group. Natural advantages of natural acne treatments. The quest to cure acne has spawned a huge treatment industry. Consumer markets are flooded with products all claiming to eliminate acne, and it's often an expensive proposition when trying to choose the best out of this sea of curatives. Unfortunately, many of the products sold to prevent acne often make it worse instead of better. For the wise shopper, natural methods should be the first choice, but whether you have tried all the other methods or none of them, it's never too late to try the simple, natural methods mentioned in the list above. They are both time and money saving. They will improve your overall health and vitality, and they aren't going to cause the situation to get worse instead of better. So what are you waiting for? A natural cure for your acne is as near as your cupboard or local grocery store.